Let's get this one started. Slang words or a slang word, these are words that are used in social situations or social environments or social gatherings or social settings or setup, or they're used by people from a specific area or region. They're not very formal. I shouldn't say there. I should say they're not formal. Let's say that you're about to graduate from university or from a degree program, and they're asking you to write an essay or a thesis. You wouldn't use slang words in that instance. That's not appropriate. Or let's say you're taking an English exam, and as part of the exam, you're supposed to write an essay. You wouldn't use slang words in that situation either. Or let's say you're invited for a job interview, right? And if you're speaking to the person, you wouldn't use slang words. Or even when writing a job application, you wouldn't use slang words. But again, they are very appropriate when you're speaking to your friends, your peers, or family, or people from the same area or region as you. For some of them, I have examples. For others, I don't. If there are no examples, you can just, test them out yourself, right? Put them into practice and let them work for you. Dude, dude, dude. So this is used to refer to a man or a male. Some dude just asked me if I knew you, right? So I was at a place that you weren't there, and someone came up to me, most likely a man, some dude came up to me and asked me if I knew you. Dude, where were you last night? Again, this is you asking a friend, a male friend, where they were last night. Mike's a cool dude, okay? We're recognizing and appreciating Mike for being such a cool dude. Bro. Now, this is used to refer to a brother or a male friend. Or now, you might hear some people say male, you might hear some people say male. That's why I keep flipping back and forth between male and male. I think they're both okay. So bro, again, it's used to refer to a brother, or used when speaking to a male friend. Hey bro, what's up? Chill. Now, this describes someone who's very calm and composed. Emily is so chill, right? So Emily is very pleasing and fun to be around with. Cool, right? This means good or excellent. Cool, thanks for keeping me posted. Cool, thanks for letting me know. Thanks for bringing me up to speed. If someone tells you they're getting married, you can reply by saying cool. It's cool that you're getting married. It's cool that you got accepted to study whatever program at university, right? That's cool. Awesome. So this means very good or excellent. That's awesome. It's awesome that you're getting married. It's awesome that you're going for studies abroad. It's awesome that you're setting up a business. It's awesome that you're starting a family. It's awesome that you're getting married, right? It's great. Sweet here refers to something that's very good, great, or excellent, or awesome, right? That Tesla is so sweet, right? That Tesla is so sweet, bro. I missed it, bro. That Tesla is so sweet, bro. So that Tesla is awesome. No worries. Now, this is used to tell someone to not worry, or used to say that there's no problem. It's not a problem. I may invite you to come over for dinner or lunch, and you might say no to my invitation, and I would say no worries, that's fine. If you have something else to do, I totally understand. So no worries, it's all good, it's fine, it's all good, it's fine. Hang out. So this is a very common one, right? Here people talking about hanging out all the time with their friends. This just means spending time with someone. We were hanging out by the pool. ASAP. Some people say ASAP. However, ASAP just means as soon as possible, right? If I send you a message and at the bottom of the message I say reply ASAP, what I'm asking you to do is that when you get my message, after reading my message, please respond as soon as possible. Lame. Now, this means boring or doing something that's not cool. I can't believe he's absent. He's so lame. So we were expecting someone to be at a place, they didn't show up, and one person just says that they can't believe this person didn't show up. That's so lame. That's not cool that he didn't show up, and maybe he didn't let us know either that he wasn't going to be there. So that's not cool. The person who didn't show up or who was absent is kind of lame. Yikes. So this is used to show surprise or to express surprise, worry, and shock, right? I can't believe she did that to you. Yikes. So this person must have done something that's not so good, and someone's trying to wrap their mind around why they would do that. So she said, we don't know, maybe it's a he or a she, but the person says that, I can't believe she did that to you. Yikes. So I am shocked. I am surprised at what that person did to you. Bummer. This is used to describe something that's annoying or disappointing. I locked my keys in the car. Bummer. It's a very annoying thing to forget your keys, or not forget, but maybe lock your keys in the car, right? FYI. So for your information. Sick. Now here, sick doesn't mean someone's feeling under the weather or someone's feeling ill. What it means here is that something is excellent or cool. Sometimes you might hear people also say wicked, right? Wicked. So that also means very good or awesome or excellent. Wow, those are sick dance moves, right? Wow, those are sick dance moves. Wow, those are amazing dance moves. Those are awesome dance moves, right? Those are wicked dance moves. Lit. So this is used to describe something that's exciting or cool. The party was lit. BFF, right? Best friend forever. BFF, best friend forever. She's married to her BFF's brother. So she's married to the brother of her best friend forever. Chilling. So when you're chilling, you're essentially relaxing and just feeling stress-free. Nothing to worry about. Right, I'm just chilling in front of the TV, right? I'm just relaxing in front of the television. Booze, booze, booze here refers to alcohol.